As the Seedsmen's Association likes to say, first is the seed. One of the first decisions that our growers are asked to make is what hybrid or variety to plant for each of their crops. Clemson Agronomic Crop Variety Trial Performance Data provides information to growers, extension personnel, seed producers, seed dealers, and agricultural agencies across South Carolina and the world. With each type of trial, an application is sent to seed companies, and for a fee, the companies can enter as many cultivars as they wish to participate in the official variety trials for the coming growing season. These OVT trials are small plot replicated, designed to look at how new varieties perform against the older ones or how they perform in a certain soil type or environment. Unless otherwise noted, these trials are held across South Carolina. They are in the upstate at the Piedmont Research and Education Center and the Clemson Bottoms, as well as in the coastal plain at the Edisto and PD Research and Education Centers under dry land or irrigated conditions. The corn trial this year consists of 53 hybrids from 11 different seed companies. In addition to location at the Rex, there is also an on-farm trial on the Prison Farm near Boykin. The corn silage trial has 18 hybrids from 8 companies. The trial was held on 4 different locations across the state. The cotton trial has 65 different varieties split among early and late maturing trials. These are put in dry land and irrigated environments at both the Edisto and PD Rex, as well as several on-farm trials above the Santee Lakes. The grain sorghum or Milo trial has 22 hybrids from 5 companies put on 3 Rex across the state. The peanut trial is split between 8 Virginia type varieties and 13 runner type varieties planted at the PD and Edisto Rex. The small grain trial, previously harvested in late May and early June, consisted of 71 wheat varieties, 18 oat varieties, and 8 barley varieties. This seed was received from not only seed companies, but also breeders working in small grains. For the first time, the soybean trial has maturity group 4 varieties, with 41 of them entered for good measure. There are also 39 maturity group 5 varieties, 31 maturity group 6 varieties, and 25 maturity group 7 and 8 varieties. Our goal is to have all the companies which sell seed in South Carolina include their products in our trials. The results should help growers select the most profitable cultivars for individual farm conditions and management programs. This is exactly what our mission asks of us, to help the growers of South Carolina.